Hello guys, welcome in another tutorial, and today we are going to learn 3 things. First is how to change the placeholder in the form fields, we'll see which one's placeholder. Second is how to change group quantity number of registration delegate, how to set minimum and maximum number. And lastly is how to customize form fields, in a way that you can enable and disable fields to appear in delegates and group registration forms. Let me log in, so we can do it together. First open your web browser, in the URL bar type your country GOMS URL, to access the system. I will use demo account just for training, but you need to do this in your real account. Type your username and password, then click login button, or press enter. As the usual, system will open with real-time graphs, charts, and statistics. Like I said before, first we'll learn about how to change placeholder. Remember, placeholder is a character, word, or string of characters that temporarily takes the place of the final data. Let me open an individual and group registration form, so that we can see the placeholder. Click individual online payment for individual form, and group for group form. When you look inside this field you see some word, not data, but identifying what is needed here. Same to the group registration, here on organization field, email field, and mobile number. All this word is in different language, so we give you the ability to change all words into the language, or word of your choice. Let's say we want to change placeholder for mobile, email, and organization name. To do that, back to the dashboard, then to the System Administration module, then click Global Settings submodule, then click Global Variables. We'll open a global variable table, with a lot of system variables. Let me expand, so we can see it better. All these are global variables. Here you can add new variables by clicking this button. Also, you can update and delete any variable. Something else to look at, when you see FRM this means form, so wherever you see FRM know it's form. Also, GRP means group. And DEL means delegate. Therefore, this sentence means form group promo code. And this means form delegate promo code. This is a way of distinguishing between delegate form and group form. So whenever you see GRP know that's for group. And also when you see DEL know that's for the delegate. Let's say we want to change placeholder for mobile, email, and organization name. First, make sure that variable is for delegate. Like here, is a form delegate email. Change this key value, which is the placeholder we are talking about. Click the update button, then in key value, change any word which is good for you. Let me remove this one, and type email as a placeholder I want, then click update, then OK. Do the same in mobile. Make sure all are changed. Then back in delegate form, like you see mobile and email placeholder are these words. But when I refresh the page all are changed. Let's change placeholder in name field too. Just find form delegate username. Click Update button, change the key value to full name, then click Update, then OK. Back in delegate form, then refresh the page to see the changes. See, it's changed. Also, let's do this in group registration form. Here, let's change email field placeholder. Find form group email, click Update button, then change key value to the email address, then click Update, then OK. When you back here in group form and refresh the page. See, email placeholder change. Let's change placeholder in a mobile field. Find form group mobile, then click the update button in a key value, change to the mobile number, then click update, then OK. Back here and refresh the page, to see the changes. See, it's changed. This is how you can change placeholder for both group and delegate form fields. The second things we will learn, is to set the maximum and minimum number of group delegates. For example, when you back to group registration form and click quantity, you will see the minimum number of delegates is 9, and maximum is 20 delegates. This means, if a group wish to register, their number should be in this range, from 9 to 20 delegates. What if a group has too many, or too few delegates? This means, you need to change this range anytime you want due to a particular site. What you need to do, back to the global variable table. Then find form group maximum quantity, and from group minimum quantity. Let's change 20 to 50 as a maximum number, then click update, then OK. And minimum let's set 20, then click update, then OK. Back to the group registration form, when you click on the quantity you see the first range from 9 to 20 delegates. So refresh the page, and look at it again. See, it's changed, now maximum is 50 delegates and the minimum is 20 delegates. So you can set any number you want. This is how you can set the maximum and minimum quantity of delegates in a group. The last thing to learn today, is how to customize form fields. Sometimes you may find the registration form has many fields to fill. The system gives you the ability to enable and disable any fields, that you feel you do not want to use on a particular GLS site. So let's say here in delegate form, you don't want to have gender, mobile, and email fields. What you should do? Just back to the dashboard, a global variable table. Make sure you look at the variable that is for delegate or group, so look for del as delegate and grp as a group. To disable email, find form delegate email variable, and click the update button, then change the toggle to no, then click update, then OK. When you select no, means you disable it. Make sure no is toggled here. Then do the same in mobile and gender fields. When you back here you will see all the fields, but when you refresh the page, all fields are disappeared. This is for delegate form only, because when you come to the group and refresh the page, you won't see any different. Let's disable fields in the group form too. Let's say we disable mobile and email fields. Back to the dashboard, find form group email and form group mobile variable. Click update button, then select toggle to no, then click update, then OK. Make sure is changed. Do the same in mobile. And when you back here and refresh the page, see, email and mobile are disappearing and your form looks simple. What you need to know is delegate fields and group fields are toggled different. Let's back to dashboard to enable all the fields again. After that, back again to group from and refresh the page to see the changes. See, all are enabled and are seen again. Refresh the page for apply changes. This is how you can customize the form fields by enabling and disable the fields. Thanks for watching this video and for your time, and hope you enjoy and understand this tutorial. Until the next video, bye.